gust of wind suddenly swirls around us.
A gust of wind, huh?
That wind is cold, so let's pick up the pace.
Ah!
Did you just say something?
No, I did not.
Would you like to keep going down, or go back up the path?
Keep going.
Okay, let's keep walking. As we descend, we notice a fog starting to roll in off the water. Unfortunately, our glowing path is starting to fade. I hold up our lantern to help us find our way. We can only see a few feet in front of us, but we cautiously keep going. Stay closer to me.
This is probably maybe even more creepy than the dark forest.
It feels creepy here. I suppose
Yeah.
we could turn around now.
Yeah, stop
Would
understating
you like to keep
things.
going to the lighthouse, or go back up the path?
Just keep going.
Okay,
Okay.
let's keep going.
So
The fog is thick now, and our glowing path has disappeared. But we are near the rocky shore. Through the fog, we see the white lighthouse towering above us. As we
Okay,
walk
good.
toward it, the wind is blowing the cold, misty air in our faces.
Oh, thanks, wind. Did we need that? What is that? Bell, what is that? Why is the wind like singing? This is weird.
And wait. Am I seeing things? Is there someone standing near the lighthouse? We walk closer to the lighthouse's front steps, and sure enough, there is a man on the landing next to the front door. He is holding a bell and facing the foggy sea.
Oh, is that what the bell is?
Oh, listen.
I wait, and I wait. But why? This wretched place is no place to be. I'm stuck here forever, alone, in this darkness. Oh, the darkness. The darkness. Oh, curse you, darkness.
A dense
Creepy.
cloud of fog rolls by, and the man disappears. We walk to the bottom of the lighthouse's front steps, and no one is around. We see only the lighthouse door, which begins to bang in the wind.
It's like it's knocking, but oh my god.
Should we go inside, stay outside, or go back up the bluff?
Go inside. I
We
kind of know
climb
how
up
to
the
do
front
this.
steps to the lighthouse's metal door.
Here we go.
The door is in fact slightly ajar, and I push and open it more. I close it behind us. Thank goodness. We are finally inside. Yoo-hoo! Is anyone in here?
Her true love, huh?
Gosh, it sure feels strange in here. I hold up our lantern, providing an eerie glow in the space. We both do a complete look around the cold circular room. It has brick walls, a concrete floor, and a single window across from the front door. The window sits underneath a curved staircase that climbs up along the wall to a second floor.
Okay.
We also see a metal grate flush with the floor just a few feet ahead. Oh dear. There are creepy sounds coming out of it.
Not going in there. Go upstairs.
With the lantern as our guide, we walk over to the curved staircase.
Microsoft selected. Photos. 4. Speech off.
As we climb, we grip the cold metal railing, being careful not to fall on the narrow metal treads.
Thank God there's a railing.
We are on the narrow landing at the second floor.
Yeah, I've been here
The
before.
office door is unlocked and open.
It's an office door.
Would you like to go through the open door, go
I'll show
upstairs,
you guys
or
what's
go
in here.
downstairs?
Go through the office door.
We walk through the doorway, and I hold up the lantern. We see the closed window on the wall directly in
There's
front
a
of us.
typewriter.
To the left of the window is the phonograph on the small simple table.
I think a phonograph
To the
is
right
like a
of the window
gramophone.
is the metal desk against the wall.
And that's a typewriter. There's a
That
really
sound
weird
is coming
glitch
from
you
the
can do in
typewriter
here.
on the desk. Would you like to open the window or open the door?
Open the window. You can do this. It's
I
like
pull
a
up on
funny
the window.
glitch you can do.
And for a moment, the room seems to stand still. Everything is silent. No wind, not even a slight breeze, comes in from outside. And then, a big gust of wind blows past us and into the room. It hits the phonograph crank. And then it blows over the typewriter keys. The broken record plays.
That is broken.
And finally,
That is
the
broken.
typewriter dings and rolls back.
What is
The
it even
window then
typing?
slams shut,
Yeah, you can do that.
and the room is again silent. Well, that was very interesting. It seemed like the wind just deliberately set off a sequence of sounds in the room. Would you like to open the window or open the door?
Open the door.
Okay, let's leave the room. Oh good. This time the door didn't slam in our faces.
Okay, I think it
We
did.
are on the narrow landing
At
at the
the first
second
time.
floor. The office
Okay,
door
you need
is
to
unlocked.
go upstairs. I just
hold
wanted to
up
show
our
you that little
lantern,
glitch and
and
what's
we
in
climb
the
back up to the third floor.
office. Okay, let's go to the third floor. If you don't know what you're doing, this adventure's hard.
We are back on the third floor, and again see in front of us the lighthouse machine, and the ladder to the top floor. Would you like to go to the ladder, examine the machine, or go
Right.
downstairs?
The ladder.
We walk to the
This is a
ladder.
bit this part is